Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up events through Klaviyo to Shopify. If you want Klaviyo to track customer behavior and trigger powerful email flows, these setup steps are all you need. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Klaviyo integrations. First, log into your Klaviyo dashboard. On the left panel, click on Integrations. Inside the search bar, type Shopify. When you see it, click on it and open the integration page. This is where everything begins. Step 2. Connect your Shopify store. Next, Klaviyo will ask you to enter your Shopify store URL. Type it in, click Connect, and you'll be redirected to Shopify to approve the connection. Just click Install App or Approve. Once this is done, Klaviyo will start syncing your customers, orders, and product information automatically. Step 3. Enable key events. Inside the Shopify integration settings in Klaviyo, scroll down and check that your main tracking events are active. You should see events like Viewed Product, Added to Cart, Started Checkout, Placed Order, and Fulfilled Order. Make sure each one is switched on. These events help Klaviyo understand everything your customers do inside your store. Step 4. Install Web Tracking Script. Now, still on the same page, click Install Web Tracking. This button lets Klaviyo automatically place its tracking code inside your Shopify theme. You don't have to paste any code manually. Klaviyo handles it for you. This part is important because it allows events to fire correctly when someone browses or buys on your store. Step 5. Test the events. Once the setup is done, go to your Shopify store and perform a few actions. Click on a product, open it, add it to cart, and go to checkout. Then return to Klaviyo, click Analytics, then Metrics, and you should see those events appearing in real time. If you can see them, everything is connected properly. Step 6. Use events in flows. Now that your events are active, you can use them inside Klaviyo flows. Just go to Flows, choose a template, and select the event you want as the trigger. For example, you can trigger a flow when someone views a product or adds something to their cart. This is where the real power of Klaviyo begins. And that's how you set up events through Klaviyo to Shopify, step by step. Follow these steps and your event tracking will work perfectly.